So it's been raining so much off and on in Waco, well, all of Texas really, that I was kind of curious to see what Lake Waco looked like after all of this rain. And I came out to our little flight area kind of near where our RC airport little area is. I've never flown there myself, but it's supposed to be somewhere in this little area here. But I could see right away we got a lot of flooding. Lake Waco is really overfilled. As you can see, the little pavilion area, that's where you can go do some camping and have some cookouts, and that is completely flooded over. I have never seen the level so high in this lake. Wow. This is normally where the water starts at. As you can see, it's really flooded. Look at that level. As you can see, like this whole boat launching area, storage area over here is completely underwater. And for some reason, I'm having a little bit of interference today. Not exactly sure why. This is the first time I've ever flown in this area, but I don't want to get up too high in altitude either and break any of the rules. So I know we're somewhat close to an airport. I'm not in Waco Municipal Airport's flight area, but close enough where I don't want to break any rules here. This is definitely the highest I have ever seen Lake Waco in all the years I've lived out here. this area here, I am really shocked just how flooded it is. That is pretty nuts.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Huh. I'm only at 238 feet.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
And it looks like I'm entering an area where our altitude is limited even more. So I'm going to bring it back down and in. I just kind of wanted to show off what Lake Waco is looking like right now. And it is as flooded as could be. RC plane clubs kind of flies here, and that way over there and out in the distance is where Waco Municipal Airport is.
Aircraft will return to
So,
normal
as you can hear, she's wanting to come back home. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring her back. But, yeah, it is one overly flooded lake for sure. This is normally where I would have gone to launch off of, but the whole park is closed, so my truck's kind of stuck over there. But there y'all go. Get to see how Lake Waco looks today, which is definitely overfilled. And bring her home. Hope y'all have a good one.